Cancer, hugely common today. We're talking 100 years ago, it affected 2% of the population. Now it's affecting 50%. That's a 1 in 2. Now, there's a couple of reasons for that. One is we're surrounded by endocrine disruptors, and this is in things that are like hormones, but they're not really hormones. And this is in glues, plastic, pesticides, food products. It's everywhere. And the other common cause is what we consider healthcare is utilizing chemicals to alter your physiology. Now, cancer is natural and normal in the body. Figure your body builds 1 billion cells a day, and 10,000 of those are always abnormal cells. So the body's job is to wall off those toxins or abnormal cells, because that's what cancer is. It's an abnormal cell growth into tumors. This is why 50% of everybody over 50 has cancerous tumors that never affect them. 80% of everybody over 80. So your body literally forms the tumors. Now, cancer is a big issue with us in somewhat modern times because of the toxic environmental influences, but also of nutrient deficiencies. Now, deficiencies and toxicities are the cause of cancer. Now, when we look at where the location of the cancer is, now all cancers are systemic. That means they're in the entire body. And look at the location too, because 85% of all breast cancers are on the left breast. And this is because lymph of the gut drains the upper left quadrant. And most people are eating themselves into cancerous results. And so if you're taking antibiotics, that destroys the gut flora. 80% of your immune system is in the gut. And then you're looking at any poisons that you're taking in there. Now, 15% of breast cancers are on the right chest or the right upper quadrant. And that is because lymph drainage from the dental area and lung area drain to that area. So look at the location of the cancer, but know that it comes from deficiency or toxicity. And the only way to resolve that is to strengthen the immune system. Now, the only time you're going to deal with a tumor, sometimes those tumors can be walling off so many toxins that they can negatively affect the physiology of the body. So in extreme circumstances, the tumors actually have to be removed. But remember, the body formed those tumors to wall off toxins. So look at your immune system. Look at the gut. That's where 80 to 90% of the immune system is. So you've got to heal the gut and then look at physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. Remember, all cancers are systemic. They present locally, but they involve the entire body. So to heal from cancer, you've got to look at the entire body. God bless you.